Funk here. We're gonna do a classic ertl model review. It's a 1/16 scale ertl international backhoe. This is a 1973 model. So now we're gonna start out with some of the features it has, or you can call it the details. So we'll do the details last, but now, so here's a feature which is the seat flips up and down. That's really cool. And you got your exhaust pipe, you got your International Harvester logo, and with International you got your engine, well, it's just metal, and you got your hydraulics, and there you got your hydraulic boom and your loader part, and the wheels are plastic, but this model is in good shape. I had it for about a year. It hasn't been broken, no damages, no cracks or anything, so that's good. And the stabilizers, well, they're a little bit hard, but you have to like slide them. It's not like they come down automatically, you know. So yeah. Now we're gonna start out with the backhoe part. It's in good condition. One decal is missing on this side, that's the top, but I like it. And the whole thing can come down. A little bit of squeaking on it. Needs some WD-40. But I'll fix that. But anyways, yep. And this is in good shape. The bucket is in good shape. And this, the whole frame that holds this, that, well, it's not that bad, but I'd say it kind of loosens up sometimes. Yeah, so yeah. And it has your International Harvester logo on the front and some decals. So yeah, that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and comment on what you think about this model, and also follow me on Google Plus and Facebook now that I have a Facebook account. And that is it. Peace out, guys.